Alright, so first what we're going to do is start by priming our eye. I'm using my Too Faced Shadow Insurance. Have that all over the lid. Then I'm going to take my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. I'm just going to put that all over my lid. I'm taking my Morphe 581 and I'm going to blend that out. If I'm being completely honest, this really isn't one of my favorite eye looks that I've done. But I had some shadows that I wanted to try out together, and I wanted to try to go a way that I don't usually go when it comes to colors, because I usually stick with reds and oranges and pinks and stuff like that, and so I wanted to try something with a little bit more purples and blues, which I don't really ever use much. Okay, so we've got that on. We're not going to set it, we're going to keep it wet. And I'm going to go in with Public Monster by Notoriously Morbid Cosmetics. Also, look at this awesome art on the front of it. That looks really cool. Alright, whoa. So it's this grayish color with some green shift into it. It's really pretty. We're going to take that and we're going to put that all over our crease. I love the color shift in this. It's so pretty. Alright, get that all blended out. Next, I'm going to go in with Come On Doll Boy Dance by My Pretty Zombie Cosmetics, and it's this, I have a sample bag. It's this bright blue color. I love it. It's super pretty too. I'm going to go in with a Sonia Kashuk number 102, just a flat, fluffy brush. Brush with that, and if you look, there's like so many sparkles. Super pretty. I'm going to take that, we're going to buff that into our crease too. We're going to focus it more towards the crease instead of buffing it completely out. I also, when I do my eyeshadow, I always do my eyes first and then the rest of my face last, because when I use these pigments, they have a lot of fallout in them, and so I would rather do my eyeshadow first and then go back in and clean it up, then I'll go back and clean it up on a clean face, then have to constantly clean up my foundation. That's better. Alright, now that I've got that in my crease, I am going to go in with my other blending brush that we used with the Public Monster on it, and I am just going to blend it into that blue. That's better. Okay. Now, I'm going to go in with my Pretty Zombie in Anthrax. It's a very pretty pink-purple shade, but the cool thing about this is, just like the Public Monster, it has this awesome duochrome shift in it. I'll do a swatch for you right here. If you look, it's super pretty. So, I'll take that and put it all over the eye. Okay, so I'm going to go back in with that Come On Doll Boy Dance and just blend that purple, that Anthrax together so I get more of a seamless transition. Oh, I love that. Purple and green. It's so pretty. Alright, next we're going to go in with Bloody Awful Poet from Notoriously Morbid Cosmetics. Literally, this is the blackest eyeshadow that I own. Look at that. Honestly, I got it on my carpet in my living room. I can't get it out. It is so dang black. I love it. I'm gonna put that in the corner of our eye right here. With a pencil brush. And then I'm gonna go in with a fluffy pencil brush like this one. Just gonna blend it out, soften up the edges a little bit. I honestly wasn't sure if I liked this when I first did it, but now I'm like, I love it. Alright, I'm going to use my e.l.f. liquid liner. As usual, she's thick. That's okay. I'm going to go do my brows and face, and then when we come back, I will go ahead and finish up the eye look. Alright, brows are on, lashes are on. These are Ardell Foam Ink lashes in 811. They're super pretty, they're fluffy, and they're super lightweight. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do the under eye. I'm going to start with that Anthrax on a flat brush. I just realized I put my mirror to the side. Go me. And don't be afraid to bring it down. We're going to end up blending it all out anyway. I know it looks a little rough right now, but give it time. We'll make it look good, I promise. Alright, I'm going to take that Come On Doll Boy Dance. It's that blue, sparkly blue color we used before. It looks like a mess. But you gotta trust me, you have a process. I'm gonna take some of that Pope Like a Monster, we're gonna blend this all out. See, I told you we'd make it look better. You gotta trust me. Jesus. And then if you wanted to go in with that Come On Doll Boy Dance again, you could. Just to add a little bit more blue to it. I love it. Alright. I am going to take a Morphe brush that does not have a number. And I'm going to take this L'Oreal Paris Colorish Cajole Chunky Liner. I'm going to put that in my top waterline and my bottom waterline. Then I'm going to take a little bit of this Bloody Awful Poet on the same brush. Put that in my waterline. Alright, and then for my inner corner highlight, I'm going to use Celery and Bile by My Pretty Zombie. I've had this for a really long time, and it's literally one of my favorite colors that I own. It's super, super pretty. I'm going to wet it with my Illuminating Mist and Set setting spray. It gives it more of a metallic color. Bring it up to the bridge of my nose. Just like that. I'm going to take a white eyeshadow. I'm going to take one from my Makeup Revolution Reloaded Neutrals palette. I'm going to take this white one right here. I'm going to put that underneath my brow bone to highlight it. And then I'm going to take my mascara. This is my L'Oreal Hydrofuge Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. Ooh, allergies are going crazy. My contour is Yes Benji, Kill Them All. This is the first time I've tried using a blue contour. I've never used a blue contour before. It's okay. I like the color. It would be really good as an eyeshadow, but for me as a contour, I don't think it really works. And then my highlighter is Grandma Mitzi Says Mom's in Hell. I think that's it, really. Alright, I'm going to go put on some lipstick and we'll do final looks. Alright guys, that is the final look. I just put on a little bit of Bull Chic by ColourPop on my lips with a little bit of lip gloss over top. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Alright guys, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to become a ghoul and hit the bell so that you can get alerts on when all of my new videos come out. And if you decide not to hit the bell, that's okay. You can always follow me on Twitter and Instagram for updates on everything. My Twitter handle is SpoopyMama, and my Instagram is Smallish Satan. I can't believe I almost forgot that. Alright guys, thanks!